Hey Daniel, do you like learning about history?
Hi, Grace. Yes, I do. I think history is really interesting. We can learn a lot from the past.
I agree. What's one historical event that you find interesting?
I think the moon landing in 1969 was amazing. It was the first time humans walked on the moon.
Yes, I read about it. Neil Armstrong said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind."
Exactly. It was a big moment for science and space exploration.
For me, one important event is World War II. It was very sad, but it changed the world in many ways.
Yes, it was a terrible war, but we should learn about it so it doesn't happen again.
Right. I also learned about Martin Luther King Jr. in school. He fought for equal rights in the US.
Yes, he gave the famous "I Have a Dream" speech. He's one of my heroes.
Me too. He believed in peace and fairness for everyone.
Have you studied the Berlin Wall?
A little. It divided East and West Berlin, right?
Yes. It was built during the Cold War and finally came down in 1989. People were so happy when it ended.
I saw pictures of people crying and celebrating. It must have been emotional.
Totally. Do you like visiting historical places?
Yes. Last year I visited Washington, D.C. and saw the Lincoln Memorial and the White House.
Cool. I went to Boston and learned about the American Revolution. It was fun and educational.
That's great. I think it's good to remember the past and honor the people who made a difference.
I agree. History teaches us lessons and shows us how much the world has changed.
So true. Maybe we should visit a museum together sometime.
I'd love that. We can learn more and talk about it over coffee.
Perfect plan, Daniel.